Login failed on TurboTax Fix. You're ready to finish your tax return on TurboTax, but the screen flashes login failed. That moment can be stressful, especially when you've got important financial details waiting. But here's the good news, it's usually a quick and simple fix. The first step is checking your credentials. TurboTax accounts are case sensitive, and most login errors happen due to typos or saved passwords. Type your username and password manually instead of using autofill. If it still fails, tap Forgot Password to reset it. TurboTax will send a secure link to your registered email. Now, if your credentials are correct but the issue continues, it might be a cache problem. Old cookies or stored session data can block new logins. Clear your browser cache, or if you're using the mobile app, go to your phone settings and clear the TurboTax app storage. Then restart the app and try again. Make sure you're using the latest version of TurboTax. Older versions often stop connecting when new security updates roll out. Go to your app store, update to the newest release, and restart your device. Another common issue involves multi-factor authentication. If you're asked for a verification code, make sure you're entering it quickly. Those codes expire within minutes. If you don't receive one, check your spam folder or ensure your phone number on file is correct. If you're accessing TurboTax from a web bean, turn it off. TurboTax may block certain apps to prevent fraud. Also, switch to a stable private Wi-Fi connection instead of public networks. Lastly, remember that TurboTax occasionally performs scheduled maintenance during tax season. Login failures can happen briefly during those updates. Wait about 15 minutes and try again. So next time TurboTax says login failed, don't panic. Jet your password, clear your cache, update the app, and you'll be back filing your taxes in no time, stress-free and secure.